Hey guys, this is Tyler at the Keyless Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to open one of these Volkswagen keys to change the battery. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find this button right here on the side. You're going to press that in and pull the key out, the emergency key. So there's that. Next thing you're going to do where that button is, you're going to push on the opposite end. You see it snaps and then you pull it out. And next, just like any other remote, pretty much just find the seam to fit this in, the yellow tool. And there it is. Then you just get a screwdriver. Just gonna pop it out. That's it.